Is this what Alice really wants? Alice wants one of these babies right here.
Because next time we go boondocking, we won't break our frame.
This is called the Storyteller Overland. And look at this beast. That thing is friggin' awesome. I'm gonna find out how much this thing costs, but it's gonna be crazy. Are you ready for one of these?
I would love to see this in Alaska.
Yeah, this is our Alaska
beautiful.
trip.
This is nice.
Maybe one more year.
I love
on YouTube.
How smooth the cabinets are.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
This is nice and clean lines.
Did you hear how much it was?
Yeah, I'm not asking.
$349.
There's the bathroom.
Pretty nice, huh? Now look at this. Look at this. The bed up top here.
Yeah.
Really nice. Awesome.
I think it's my birthday present.
This is the GXV Hilt from Storyteller Overland. It's built with carbon fiber composite construction with a zero torsion subframe and liquid spring suspension, all built on an awesome Ram 5500 6.7 diesel chassis. It has 16.8 kilowatt hours of lithium batteries, two 3,000 watt inverters, 1,325 watts of solar, 120 gallons of fresh, 40 gallons of gray, a 5-gallon black cassette, and has 2 queen beds. The MSRP on this awesome machine is over $400,000, but was told you could get it for about $350,000. We would love to have one of these babies for a 6-month Alaska trip someday. Do you think Storyteller would lend us one for a summer?